Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gorgeous Foodie, and this is me all decked up for my sister's wedding. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a bridesmaid makeup for your sister or any other wedding you want to go. So let's start. So I've already prepped my skin and I'll be starting with this Makeup Studio Professional Face It Shade Yellow Concealer, and we'll be mixing it with Nykaa 24K Gold Oil. So to make your face a little hydrated and shiny and glowy, I'll be just using on my eyes because I'll be doing my eyes first. And for the eyes, I have thought to do today a very subtle and a nude look, giving some peach shade and the glitter eyeliner. So we'll see how it goes on. I'll be just mattifying it with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Banana Bread. This is one of my favorite loose powder as it gives you a very mattifying shade and not making your eyes dry at the same time. So you just need to give a little brush on it and it will be done. For the brows, I have been taking from a long time Benefit Cosmetics product, and this is my favorite. This is a goof proof brow pencil, and this is one of the amazing pencils for your brows. For the eyes now, I'll be using Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. This is amazing palette for your daytime or nighttime. You can carry any look because it have a variety of different colors in it. So I'll be starting from a light color of the peach and will be blending it with a darker shade of the rust. So to give it a dimension like that. So from next I'll be just blending it everything. The night look, I'll be just giving it a pressed glitter on my eyes to give it a party look. And we'll be completing it with the L'Oreal Paris Profound Black Gel Eyeliner. We'll be giving a wing eyeliner to my eyes, and to make it look a more better, I'll be using this Urban Decay Heavy Glitter Eyeliner, and we'll be giving it on a crease of my eye, on both of my eyes, so it will give a chic look to it. After that, I'll be completing my look with Lashable lashes from the Dream collection that they have, and we'll be starting with prepping my face now from Pore Professional Primer Benefit Cosmetics. And now I'll be completing the primer part with Smashbox Pore Minimizer Primer, and will be applying all over my face to look vibrant, and it also gives a mattifying effect to my face. Now for the foundation, I'm using the same foundation Makeup Studio that we used earlier, and I have also used an orange color corrector under my eyes and all the area that have got pigmented. You can use any orange corrector or any orange eyeshadow or lipstick for your dark pigmented spots on the face. So I have just applied all over my face, under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my upper lips and the chin area, because this part of the area are a little pigmented and dark comparative to the other parts of the face. So I'm just blending everything with the flat pad all over my face. For the full coverage, I'll be using the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour Wear Hydra Foundation all over my face, but not under my eyes, from where I've already applied the Makeup Studio foundation, because I don't want to apply a lot of products on my skin and make my under eye look very dull and cakey. So I'll be just blending everything over my face, and I'll be using this my favorite Maybelline Age Rewinder concealer for the highlighting part. So I'll be highlighting under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose again, and the forehead and the upper lips and the chin part, to make, because you have to highlight the higher points of your face. I'll just be blending everything again, and you need to blend everything very well if you want a flawless makeup base for your skin. After blending my highlighting concealer, I'll be just setting my makeup with the Huda Beauty again banana bread easy bake loose powder, and I'll just be setting the chin area, my under eyes, nose and the forehead, because on the other areas I'll be applying this Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm using everything in a powder bronzer basically because of the summers, and otherwise the creamy ones get a little cakey. So I'll just be bronzing my cheekbones, my forehead, because I've got a huge forehead, my nose area and my jawline, to make it look a little slimmer and fine in that case. We'll just be blending everything on my face and the bronzer and everything. After my bronzer, I'll be using this Faces Canada Face It uh, blush palette, and I'll just be using the blusher in this because it is highly pigmented and it is one of the best products that I got from my drugstore video. And we'll just be using the same palette, Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, to make my under eye a little shady. I'll be shading with brown color. Just to give it an extra dimension, I am giving this purple liners under my eyes, just a little bit of it. Now for the lips, I'll be using this nude lipstick from L'Oreal Paris, and this is a matte lipstick and one of the amazing colors that I've got from Australia, and I don't know this is available here or not, but you can check it on Nykaa. This is a very beautiful nude color, and after this I am going to use a liquid lipstick from Kiko Milano, and that is also one of the amazing colors that I've bought from India only, and I've mentioned the color, that is 102 Satin Rosy Beige. This is basically an ultimate double touch lipstick that I've been using from a long time. Now basically, to give a pro look, I have been using this Faces Canada pro lipstick in shade Tease. So this is again one of the favorite lipsticks as you have seen my video. For the highlighter part, I'll be using this Colourpop Luster Dust loose highlighter, and it gives you a instant pop on your face. And I am also gonna fix my face with MAC Prep and Prime, and again applying the highlighter to give a pop out look and a glowy look on my face. So I hope you like this look. I am almost done with my look, and I'll be just getting ready and show you the full look. So guys, this is my full look. I hope you loved the video, and if you liked our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Gorgeous Foodie, and